Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. If you are interested in heart surgery or you are a beginner in the medical profession, an operation theatre student, a trainee surgeon or from allied health, then this video is helpful for you. After a long time, today I am uploading lecture part 5. Before today's lecture, I had already uploaded 4 parts on surgical acronyms in which I discuss acronym for different surgeries, and in today's lecture, surgical acronyms part 5, we will discuss cardiac surgery acronyms. Watch the video till the end. I hope you find something new and interesting. Before starting the lecture, I want you to subscribe my channel. Alright, let's dive into the video. So guys, number 1 acronym is CABG, coronary artery bypass grafting. This is a very common procedure in cardiac surgery. In this, the diseased coronary artery is bypassed and a vessel graft is placed so that cardiac blood supply continue. Number 2 acronym is MVR, mitral valve replacement, a cardiac surgical procedure in which a damaged or diseased mitral valve that cannot be repaired is removed and replaced with an artificial mechanical mitral valve. Actually, all these procedures are mostly done by the open method, which is commonly called open heart surgery. Alright, now number 3 acronym is AVR, aortic valve replacement. Aortic valve replacement is a life-saving cardiac procedure used to treat a damaged or narrowed aortic valve by replacing it with a functional prosthetic valve. This surgery restores normal blood flow from heart and help reduce the risk of heart failure. Alright, then number 4 acronym is ASD closure, atrial septal defect closure. ASD closure is a cardiac procedure performed to repair or close an atrial septal defect, that is ASD, a congenital heart defect commonly describe a hole in the heart. Then last acronym is VSD closure, ventricular septal defect closure. Ventricular septal defect, that is VSD closure, is a cardiac procedure performed to repair or close a hole in the wall, that is septum, that separate the heart's lower chamber known as the ventricles. That's all for today's lecture. For the next lecture, you tell me the topic or any surgical specialty for which I should discuss surgical acronyms. We will meet soon in our next lecture covering surgical acronyms part 6. You guys suggest the surgical specialty. You can stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.